Hi, my name is Dani Kahn. I am co-owner and operator of HG Coffee in Apache Junction. Jay and his team at the Cooling and Plumbing Company did a great job. As business owners, we really were stuck with a situation that was extremely unique, and they did really well with the project that we had for them. They went through all the technical aspects, which my husband handled, and then I also felt very comfortable with them doing the work for us. All the work that they did was very well done, very professional. The guys came in and they did an entire day's worth of work that would have taken us months. So we're really thankful for their work. Jay and his team made me feel extremely comfortable. I felt like I could trust them in the space. Even as we weren't there, we couldn't watch them the whole time because some of the work was just on the roof. So I felt, as a female, very comfortable with them working in our space and also in our business. So he was helping us commercially with everything. I feel extremely comfortable recommending them to friends and family. Absolutely, 100%. Hire Jay.